India faces a monumental challenge. Every single day, our cities produce over 150,000 tons of municipal solid waste. Can you picture that? Enough to fill 15,000 large trucks, a line that would stretch for hundreds of kilometers. This is not a problem for tomorrow. It is a crisis happening right now on our streets and in our neighborhoods. Much of this waste is never collected. It spills out of overflowing community bins, creating ugly, smelly heaps. Those heaps attract pests and spread disease. This is the reality for millions in our rapidly growing urban centers. The consequences are severe and far-reaching. The foul odor from rotting garbage pollutes the air. Harmful liquids, leachate, seep from waste piles into the ground. That toxic liquid contaminates soil. It pollutes groundwater many communities depend on for drinking. The visual blight of garbage-strewn streets hurts mental well-being and community pride. Our current methods of waste collection are inefficient and outdated. We urgently need a smarter, more responsive, and more efficient way to manage waste. The answer to this growing crisis lies in leveraging the power of modern information technology. Imagine a waste management system that is intelligent, that can see and think for itself. This is not science fiction. It is happening now with the help of the Internet of Things. The core of this solution is the smart bin. These are not ordinary dustbins. Each smart bin is equipped with a small ultrasonic sensor placed under its lid. This sensor acts like a tiny radar, constantly measuring the level of garbage inside the bin. It knows exactly how full the bin is at any given moment. When the garbage inside a smart bin reaches a preset level, say 80% full, the sensor automatically sends out an alert. This alert is a small packet of data transmitted over a wireless network. It travels to a central control room where it appears on a digital map of the city. The alert instantly tells the sanitation department which specific bin needs to be emptied, where it is located, how urgently it needs attention. Let us see how this integrated system works in a city like Pune, which has piloted such technologies. A sanitation supervisor in a central control room does not look at a paper schedule. Instead, they look at a large digital screen displaying a geographic information system map of their zone. On this map, every smart bin is represented by a colored icon. A green icon means the bin is empty or has low fill levels. A yellow icon indicates it is half full. A red icon flashes for bins that are nearly full and have sent an alert. The supervisor can see at a glance where the problem areas are. The system software then gets to work. Using data analytics, it considers the locations of all the red-flagged bins, the current traffic conditions, and the real-time positions of the collection trucks. In seconds, it generates the most efficient collection route for each truck. This route is not a fixed loop. It is a dynamic path designed to collect the maximum amount of waste in the minimum amount of time, using the least amount of fuel. The optimized route is then pushed directly to a mobile app in the driver's vehicle. The truck driver follows the turn-by-turn navigation on their app, which guides them from one full bin to the next, completely skipping the empty or half-full ones. The success story of a small commercial area in Bengaluru demonstrates the potential of this technology. After installing just 50 smart bins, the local municipal body reported a nearly 40% reduction in waste collection trips and an almost complete elimination of overflowing bin complaints within 3 months. Streets became visibly cleaner, and the sanitation staff could focus their efforts on other important cleaning tasks. This is the tangible benefit of combining smart technology with human effort. The system works by making people and machines work together more intelligently, creating cleaner public spaces and saving taxpayer money. However, technology alone is not a magic wand. For these smart solutions to be truly effective, they require the active participation of every citizen. The journey to a cleaner India starts with each one of us. We must embrace our role in this new system. It begins with a simple, conscious effort to segregate our waste at home and to use the color-coded compartments in smart bins correctly. Furthermore, we can become the eyes and ears of our city's sanitation department.